Welcome back, everybody. Hello, how are you? So in today's tutorial we'll be going over this look that Michelle, you know what I mean. Skip all this and just roll the intro and let's go. So I have on my least favorite eye base. Yay! It is the MAC Painterly Pot in the shade Soft Orc. I have the James Charles palette here. You know, we're doing this look today. Let me pull it up for you guys. It won all the votes, so that's what we're doing today. What is wrong with my eyebrows? Like, we're also using the Norvina Volume. What? Also using the Norvina Volume 4 palette. Yay! We're gonna start with the Norvina palette first. I'm kind of nervous. Go in with E4. You want a tapered brush that you have full control over when working with the darkest shade first. Should have no creases going on. And I'm gonna apply this pretty much on my brow bone / crease area. I'm scared. So we'll bring this all the way like that, you know what I mean? Okay. And it's pretty like up there, so I'm gonna bring it up even more. I'm gonna start to blend this out a little bit. I'm gonna catch up on the other side off camera real quick and I'll be right back. I'm actually going to bring this shade all over my lid. I just realized on this side right here, she has like that transition shade. Wow, okay. That transition shade there first and then it's dark. So let's go ahead and do that. So moving on to like that rich purple that she has in her outer corner, we're gonna be using from the James Charles palette this deep purple right here. I'm gonna go in and use my 217S brush from MAC. This is a really soft brush and I like it for my more deeper dark colors. I'm going to pat this in the inner corner and bring it about halfway or a quarter of the way. Deepen it a little bit, I'm gonna add some of the black mixed in on the tip of my brush. I'm going to go in now with the shade B2 from the Norvina Volume 4 palette. Ever so lightly, I'm going to blend. So I'm gonna go back in with the shade E4. I'm going to pat this up closer. Look a little bit crazy. So to clean this up just a little bit, like the lid and stuff like that, I'm gonna take like a clean, flat concealer brush, and I'm gonna look straight, kind of create like my imaginary line. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera or not. I mean, hopefully. But I have my line. I'm gonna fill in like this area above it, like intensify that cut crease look. So I just want to remind everybody, like, I'm recreating this for my eye shape, how this look fits my eye shape. Like, anytime anybody does a recreation, it's a recreation. So it's not going to be exactly alike, but it's going to fit their skin tone, their shape, and everything like that. Okay, so I don't have like an exact like dark purple glitter, so I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to kind of foil with the shade Royal, and I'm just going to lightly tap this on top. In this cut crease area, I'm patting it on top. I use my M139 Morphe brush. It's like a super tapered brush. I'm gonna dip into this pressed glitter here. I'm going to spray this, and I'm going to press this on top of where I'm gonna start, probably right here. So pretty. Look at that. Wow. You'll lightly want to disperse it over the dark shades. So in the corner of her eye, it's like a blinding gold color. So I'm gonna take my P. Louise base, and I'm going to pop this on the inner corners, like that. Go in with A5. I'll put this on the inner corner. Take like a clean short shader brush and go in with E4. For underneath the eye here, I'm gonna go in with E4, connecting everything together. I'm doing this like on my lash line. Careful with that chunky glitter, you guys. Okay, so now that we have pretty much everything done, I'm going to wipe off any of the, what's it called? The fallout. That's what I meant to say. Wow, I can't talk today. So I'll be back. So I'm back, and I totally forgot to mention that I was gonna do my base and like bronzer and contour and all that stuff. So I did my base, bronzer, and contour. So now that we have everything on, you're gonna wanna retouch up some stuff, right? Like a clean, tapered blending brush. I'm gonna go in to E4. I'm going to just like swivel around here and under my eye. can see the difference, how this looks more soft and blended versus this side just looks kind of like beginner. Gonna do the same for this side. So you're also gonna want to redo this inner corner a little bit. Actually go in with my LC highlighter in the shade Soul on any brush that you can get on the inner corner and just tap this right on top. Next I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to go in with my lip pencil Soar from MAC. And I'm going to top it with Yash from MAC. Okay, so next I'm going to do my lashes. It's like the funnest part. I'm going to use the Lash Paradise mascara. And I'm just going to go in here. So now that I have that on, I definitely know that I need to make this a little bit darker. So I'm gonna mix in the purple and the black. Make a little concoction here. Just like lightly pat this on here. And bring this inward. Okay, I'm running out of time here. I want to put on these lashes, the Sephora Fiesty lashes. This is the new lashes from them. Oh, they have them taped. I hate when they do this because then I can't open it. Finally. So now that I have the lashes on, these are the Sephora collection, and I say I'm not a fan of them. I'm gonna add the e.l.f. eyeliner now. Add this very thin line on top of the lash line. So now that I stopped about halfway right there, I'm gonna take this flat brush and go in with a black eyeshadow. And I'll pat this in right here. And I like flicking it upwards to kind of blend it with the rest of the shadow. I'm gonna add the black on the inner corners. And I'm gonna line the rest underneath here with a black pencil liner, and I'll be right back. All right, that's it. I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be right back with full everything. Yeah. All right, I'm back with some hair and jewelry. So thank you for tuning in for today's tutorial, and I'll be back with another one, that's for sure. So if you like this video, then please do give it a like, comment, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps me out so much when you guys, subscribe, like, and comment. So please go ahead and do that. So I'll see you guys in the next totally relatable tutorial. Bye! It stained my fingers. No! Every time I drop something, he's gotta have it. Oh my god. See you guys. Bye-bye.